Caroline, imagine you took this to your matric dance. You
Oh
know,
my gosh.
I often get people asking for cars for matric dance vehicles. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, this one's definitely unique. I mean, how many?
It's
do you
103 years old, 104 years old because it's 90. I think it is 1982. I could be wrong. But this actually featured in one of my first YouTube videos.
Oh, wow.
So it would be a really cool thing. I brought it to Ford, Eastern Cape Motors. They're in that North End tunnel.
Yeah.
And I pulled up there and I was like, guys, I have a 22 Ford two-door. I need mechanics to work on it. It has a weird sound. And the mechanics came running out, some of them with laptops. They were like, we can't work on this.
Is that where we're supposed to plug in diagnostics?
Because they didn't even know how to start the thing up because it's one of those wind-ups.
Yeah, this is the key. So
Yeah.
it's not like a little
No.
thing. That is the key.
You see. So here we got some more of these. We got Chevs over here. We got another Ford over here. So that's the two-door. That was known as like the Runner or something. It was for like all those It was for all those like businessmen, and then this was like the family car.
Yeah.
You know. All right. And then we can go on this side. We got a Rolls Royce. What do you think of this one for a matric dance car?
Definitely. I would definitely suggest this, especially if you have a black dress, you know, with like some sparkles in it.
Just that sparkles.
Yeah,
girl.
some nice, elegant black dress with some sparkles. Be lovely. And I think that it's between 1958 and I think like the 1960s.
Okay.
Definitely not a 70s because they changed the dash in the 70s.
You know more about cars than what I do, by the way.
It depends. It depends on what car.
Yeah?
I have specifics.
Well, you have more knowledge than what I have. That's why I said, let me tag team with you. Because the last time we met was at my birthday bash at the African Dawn.
Oh yes,
the
that was
wildlife
amazing.
fundraiser. By the way, that was such a great success. Because the old man was saying, like, how many people started coming there now on the weekends.
Really? Oh, that's so lovely.
I know. So I guess we did save the sanctuary.
Yeah.
Oh, City Golf.
Always.
You know what I mean?
You can never go wrong with the City Golf.
You can never go wrong with the City Golf. You know, there's a saying, there's always a golf faster than you and lower than you.
Oh, yeah. Always.
Speaking of golf, let's take a look at this VW over here.
Yeah, there's not a lot
Porsche
of these
as well.
around. And something that I really love about the old cars as well is that the interior always matches the exterior. So if you look at the dash, it's not actually black. It's like a dark
green,
like forest green. And then of course that matches the seats as well.
Oh wow. And of course your shirt matches it.
Oh yeah, of course, my overstimulated shirt.
Wow. Then we got some more Alphas over here. And then we have
Little Morrises.
A little Morris as well.
Oh, I love the Morrises, especially with like the wood paneling detail.
So this is what she's busy talking about. Show us.
Yes, okay. So I so wish that I had one of these. You also get the longer one, or alternatively, you can also take the seats out and then you have like a little mini station wagon vibe going on. But the wood, I think it's just so unique. I mean, just,
you don't find that on modern cars.
No, you don't find much on modern cars anymore.
I mean,
unless you're talking about the technology, of course. But
here's more wood on this side over here as well. And then let's go over through to the Mercs. So how much do you know about Mercedes?
I'd say out of everything, I know Mercs, I think the best.
I wonder why.
Yeah, can't put my finger on it.
I have no idea why you and I would be associated with Mercedes.
Yeah, I have no clue.
Besides both our dads being obsessed with the brand.
Yeah. So,
yeah. That's how we became friends.
Yeah, that's actually how we met, at a Merc Braai. So,
at a Merc Braai, yes. So, this looks very nice. This looks very American.
Yeah, it's definitely, is this a Corvette?
No. It's a Malibu Chevrolet. Chevelle. Let's see.
Love the color.
Wow. Pulling this up at your matric dance, pulling up with this at your matric dance, it'll be fantastic.
One of the cars I really want one day is an old Ford F100.
Oh, heavy.
Yeah. Oh, make
Wow,
it like a nice, like two-tone.
Yeah.
Top is a nice cream color. Bottom is a nice peachy orange.
Look at you. Very specific, peachy orange. This looks smart, eh?
Yeah.
I actually have a red one of these as a model when I was a kid. I must just take a look somewhere at home, if I still have it. As a toy, like you know those toy models?
Yes.
My uncle got one for me for Christmas.
That's so cool.
There was a Ferrari F50 back then I also have. So, do you know much about this one over here?
I don't know much about it, but I do know the owner quite well.
I think we all know the owner quite well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, my bestie, Nikki. No, this car is amazing.
And you know what, for such a heavy car, hey?
Yeah.
I do want to say that it flies.
Oh yeah, I mean, especially on the open road.
Yeah.
If you go on the freeway or do like a nice long haul down the N2, this is perfect.
Or in Nikki's case, down Cape Road.
Yeah.
So one day I saw this thing going past, I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, it's
This
like, what
thing-
is this? You should see when he parks, he literally takes up 2 parkings.
And I mean, logically, you would want to take up 2 parkings with something like this. What's
Only
this?
milk and juice comes in 2 liters.
Of course, you put a sticker like that on.
I also love it. It kind of looks like a rocket ship, you know, especially
does.
with these lights. Oh, it's
It
just
does
such
look like that.
such a cool detail.
So this car here is also another favorite of mine.
Jag.
So I'm very familiar with the owner of this one. His nephew's my best friend.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So I was told the one day that you do not slam the doors. I wonder if it's open here. I was gonna check if it is. Let me just see here. Okay, it's locked, but like you just walk up to it and you just like open it and then you just let it go and then it's like soft close.
Oh.
It's a soft close door. Oh,
I have to say, especially like the old car doors, they're
Yeah.
very satisfying to close.
they are. This looks nice.
Jeez,
You
what
would
year
have
is
never
this?
thought you'd had cars like these in PE if you don't come out to events like this.
Yeah, there's so many hidden gems. I mean, because these cars, obviously, they're not dailies, so you're not going to see them out. That's why it's so important to come to these events, especially if you're looking for like a matric dance car.
Wedding cars.
Yeah, matric dance, wedding. You know, some people they like a little display for their baby shower as well.
Oh, baby shower.
Yeah, we've had a few requests for. Can
For
we
baby
please
showers?
use your car for a baby shower? I'm like, okay.
Look at that. I would have never thought a baby shower.
Neither would I, but
Let's go further around again. So that car looks very angry.
it does. It does look a bit mad.
It looks like a transformer.
Yeah, it's expecting it to just zoop, 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 zoop.
Like how? Zoop, 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 zoop.
No, you need the zoop.
Zoop.
Zoop, 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 zoop.
This does not look like a transformer with his angry eyes right now. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Oh, and then we have the Mazdas. This is my dream car. That's Bella in there.
Bella,
She has my dream car.
is this your dream car?
Yes, Mazda MX-5 with the flippy headlights.
Don't you think this car looks very happy to see us?
Oh yeah, you should have seen for Halloween. She put little vampire teeth on it. It was
Don't
amazing.
lie? Really?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Hectic. Let's see what else we got on this side.
We have a 230e. I have that exact same car. When I parked here, I was like, wait, is that my car? I went, no.
This one here.
Yeah,
But it looks very similar to yours, eh?
yeah, it's the exact same model. Just mine's decorated on the inside.
Nice. And then we got what I think is one of the prettiest sounding, prettiest looking Mercs.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I love these. But this one here, this Porsche here, is something that I think I would want to rock up at my matric dance in this by myself.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this looks beautiful, man. But this isn't a PE car though, hey?
What is CX? I never remember the
That's
number
Western
plate.
Cape though. I don't know
Yeah.
where in Western Cape, but
I know CAW is George and Belleville's CY, but I don't know what CX is.
This looks nice. Because I haven't seen this one at any of the car meets we've been to.
I can't say I have either.
Me? I have no idea what you're talking about, ma'am.
I can hear the voice. When I heard the voice coming through back, I'm like, ah.
Yes. There we go.
Oh, we have some nice for sale signs.
Yeah. Look at the rims, man.
Wow.
I like this. We got more. So these cars are for sale. Caroline, you gonna buy one? We got some Vespas, yeah?
Yes, this is a three-wheeler Vespa.
Oh.
And something that's really cool about it is for this one, you don't actually need a bike license.
What do you need?
Just a normal car license for it.
Because it's 3 wheels.
Yeah. So it's the same with the trike.
Really?
Yeah.
I have a trike and I have to have a motorbike license.
Really? It could be dependent on the type of trike, because we have
Yeah.
one of those like long big ones.
Those VW looking with,
Yeah.
with those VW engines in it.
Yes, those ones you don't need a bike license for it.
Because it uses gears like a normal car gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so weird because the gearbox is in the middle.
Yeah.
So you're riding like this, but then when you change gears, it's
You
like
have to do that, yeah.
yeah,
Because it's a car motor in there.
yeah.
And then we're back around here, and then let's go to the food section. So this is where the party happens.
Oh yeah.
This man has the best ice cream.
Highly recommend. I had an ice cream cone, but I did mess on my pants, so don't look at that.
All right, and then of course the coffee. We got Grillicious over there. We got all the aunties and uncles chilling over here.
We also have some headlight cleaning over there.
Oh, that's interesting. Actually, I might need to look into
Yeah.
that.
So I'm not sure where Kevin is at the moment.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can see for yourself. Like, look at this. Look at the difference.
It is a big difference.
Yeah,
Massive.
and honestly, like, we use him for our cars as well.
Yeah.
And he really does an amazing job, especially like with the old cars. There's always some discoloration in the
Yeah.
headlights. So if you're a bit of a perfectionist, like I am, then definitely I would totally
Yeah, but that's
use
great.
Kevin.
And then we got, well, let's take people on the inside. So we got the chef guy over here with burgers and everything else. Let's go through this way. Alright. And then we got the bar inside here.
Best place to be,
The best place to be if you're over 18.
only if you're over 80.
So this is where, oh, by the way, you can have like functions and stuff here.
Yeah, so then this is the hall where
Yeah.
you can have functions. I actually had my 18th birthday party here.
Yeah?
Yeah, and it was so much fun. So
My dad had his 60th year, but we were all outside.
yeah, so here we had like a big DJ,
Yeah.
and then we did some catering outside. It was awesome.
I'll tell you a story about this car. So there was a show on SABC 3 years ago, and it was called Viper. And then it was like a red Viper, and then it would transform into like a silver Viper.
Oh wow!
And then it was like this fighting type of car. It was really cool, and it could shoot things and whatever
South
else.
African Transformers.
Yeah, but I think it was a really good, cool show. That's one of my favorites over there, the R8. What's your favorite here?
I don't know if they have my favorite here. I'm still struggling to find a Mazda MX-5, but the one with the flippy headlights as a model. I have the Mazda MX-5, but the racing one.
Okay.
So if they have that, then I'll definitely be buying it.
So if anyone's got a Mazda MX-5 for Caroline in the comments, let us know.
Yeah, please let me know, please. I've been looking for years.
Let's see what else we got here. Sorry. And we got more model cars here.
Oh, I love,
So these are-
I love this one, little Heinz.
Oh, hectic.
I also love like funky little ones like that, you know.
My dad was here now buying a couple toys as well. You would think all the toys he's buying is for like grandkids or like me, but no, it's for him.
Of course.
Here we go. Oh, that looks nice.
Oh yeah. What's
That
that?
looks-
That's the gull wing, yeah.
So, for those who don't know what the gull wing is, that's a gull wing where it opens up like that.
So there's actually, which model is this? Yeah, so this is a 300 SL, and we have one in South Africa. I think it might be the only one in South Africa, but you can fact check me on that. And it's an amazing car. We went to the George Car Show. He was there, and just seeing it in person, it's also the Roadster, so it's even
Lovely.
cooler.
And then we got this here. I like this.
It is nice.
It's a nice event.
Yeah, there's also actually quite a nice selection as well.
Yeah. Do you know how often these events happen?
I think this happens. I think it's once every couple of months.
Yeah.
I won't lie, I'm very bad with dates and stuff, but
But they can always check
it
it
is
out.
advertised on the EPVCC's Facebook page.
Yeah.
So definitely go check that out, because it's not only this event. So this event is, it's called like All Clubs Day. So it's All Clubs Day. It's people obviously from every car club in PE.
Yeah.
So obviously that's why there's so many different kinds, but there's
Yeah.
also speciality ones. So we'll have a Land Rover evening, and then there'll just be Land Rovers everywhere, and then
Yeah.
Merc, Alfa Romeo, all of that. So the Facebook page is very, very helpful. So I definitely suggest checking it out.
Caroline, you legend.
Thank
you
you.
for
Thank
talking
you.
me through this whole thing.
Thank you for trusting me.
Let's go eat some food.
Oh yeah, definitely.